English, terminologis, about, academy, writing, istilah-istilah tentang akademik. Case report, laporan kasus. Letter review, tinjauan pustaka. Artikel, arti. Research, artikel. Research, proposal, penelitian, proposal. Guideline, pedoman. Literature, sastra. Quantitative research, penelitian kuantitatif. Qualitative research, penelitian kualitatif. Source, sumber, scientific writing, karya ilmiah, sains, ilmu. Thank you.